Hey friends, today we are making a special treat for our chickens, Termite Biryani. Watch how we prepare this natural protein-rich feast. We started by collecting coconut husk, dried fronds and coconut tree material. Then we added some dried leaves and cardboard box, the perfect mix to attract termites. Next, we placed everything in a large aluminum vessel and added some soil to help create the perfect environment. We then poured water to soak everything completely, ensuring the termite would thrive inside. After cleaning the space on the ground, we turned the vessel upside down and placed the big stone on top for weight. This keeps it in place while the termites do their work. The next day, we lifted the vessel, and guess what? Our termite biryani was ready. We gathered so many termites in just 12 hours. If we had waited longer, we could have harvested even more. Nature's best protein source for chickens, made fresh and easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique farming ideas. See you in the next one.